Yohay! Nani-focus ni diri eh. Naka-fan ka man gud ni. Dapat kuan ang tatanong. Ito man sila dira we. Adig yun do.
Babae. Babae ka mo.
Cute.
As prescribed by the Department of Education. It is therefore recommended that they shall be confirmed as graduates and be issued diplomas as proof of their graduation and enjoy all the benefits and privileges appertaining thereto.
Si Madam. Takong check. Oh. Wow.
Ako na yung mga ulan-ulan man dito.
Braga, Elizabeth Iolin. Pundor, Eliza Suriaga. Porciondola, Winkler Akis. Traya Mariel Vintula. Villamonte Giselle Villanizo. Villamonte Vire. Cabares Karen Joyce Tam Pepe. Cabiles Arian Charis Lopez. Cañete Nicky May Margallo. Disales Rizal La.
Imagine, on this special day, no teachers, no parents, no friends, no visitors witnessing us in this milestone. Kanang kita-kita na magkuha sa itong diploma diri sa lamesa. But right now, we have our Public Schools Division Superintendent, Mr. Reynante A. Solitario, Public Schools District Supervisor, Mr. Roberto R. Binag, Education Program Supervisor, Dr. Marcelo O. Rocco, our school head, Mrs. Alali C. Giboni, our Assistant Principal, Mr. Clyde Kenneth Saludar, our dearest teachers, non-teaching committees and staff, fellow candidates, proud parents, friends, and visitors. I would like to welcome you all in this graduation. Thank you for being with us and for witnessing this solemn and meaningful occasion. Without the hard work of these individuals, this wouldn't be possible. And also, I want to specifically give appreciation to our teachers, kay Gipapasarjud Manila. And thank you very much for not just being teachers, but also our parent, our listener, our friend, and our mediator. Imagine, your only job is to teach, but you treated us like your own children. So, makahuna-huna kita ba nga, teacher naman unta sila, pero grabe kayo ang concern na ilang ginapakita sa tuwa. It would worry them so much kung mabagsak ta. It would stress them so much kung mapabalong ta sa eskwelahan. It would break their heart kung ma-zero ta sa mga quizzes. So they really showed support, concern, and empathy. They are our parents for the past 2 years, and it breaks our heart to let go of these such amazing souls. Basically, they held our hands to this moment and made this event possible. So we wanted to say thank you very much for being our mama and papa for the past 2 years and for your unconditional service. Also, to our loving parents, sa mga tasang Papa Roderick, I wanted to say salamat kaayo for supporting and for taking care of us non-stop. Kadamot naman mo nang you'll never know what you've got until you lose it. Right now, we are going to lose something big. So let's take a moment to truly appreciate all of the things our parents have done to us. Because sooner or later, we will be getting closer to our dreams, but being farther away from home. We won't be receiving any, bangon na diha, alas 7 na, bisag alas 6 pagod. And all the, mula ka nasad ka, kay na project, late nasad ka mo uli. And all the, mga yun nasad kag pangamot, ka naghatag naman kaghapon. We will be missing these lines. Because as we step outside of those big gates, we will be in our own. In college, we will set our alarm clocks through our phones. We will budget our own money throughout the week. We will start cooking our own breakfast. No more, ma, ano ulam? We will be leaving that type of care, all for the sake of our dreams. So I wanted to remind everyone to give a deep appreciation for all of the small but consistent efforts our parents gave to us. So later, as we step out of this gym night show, let's hug our parents and say thank you and assure them that all of their efforts will be repaid someday. And to our dearest batchmates, we may feel a lot of emotions right now. We may feel happy because we're going to graduate in high school. No more stress nights because of research paper, business plans, work immersion, and hazard maps. But we might also feel sad as we will be leaving our home for 2 years, and each of us will have to walk our own path. We are going to miss the bonds we've made with our classmates, our so-called igsuon, all the alaad together nga ang panahit kay mag-taping, all the kain sessions after class, all the horror movie marathon, all the kupihan sessions, all the conflict resolved, and all the late night tapings. And now, we realize that those shared moments together will be just a part of our memories. Right now, it might be the last time you'll be able to see these familiar faces around you. So I want you all to look at the people beside you, put your hands on their shoulder, and say, please, don't be a stranger. May we keep on striving hard toward our passions and dreams. May we buy everything we want. May everyone can buy their plane tickets towards their dream destinations. May we find happiness in the small things to accomplish. I hope we will be living our life that we always dreamed about. Lastly, I would like to welcome you all and enjoy this graduation. I would like to also say congratulations again to my fellow graduates. We've made it this far. Good luck to our next journey as we continue to write our own stories without the characters in this page. Once again, congratulations and thank you.
A presentation of candidates for graduation by the Assistant School Principal Clyde Kenneth A. Salazar. An acceptance and confirmation